So I just got my July Knitcrate. It's quite late this month, but I imagine with everything going on with COVID, it's the reason for the delay. So as soon as I got it, I wanted to hop on here and show you guys what's inside. And the first thing I noticed, obviously, was that the green crate boxes are back. No more plastic bags. So let's take a look. Ooh, this is a beautiful color. All right, let's take a look. So we have 2 hanks of yarn here. We've got the colorway Stardust. It's 100% organic Pima cotton. It's a DK weight. There's 266 yards or 242 meters in a 100 gram hank. And it says it's machine wash, gentle, lay flat to dry. And it's made by Uru Yarns for Knitcrate. So this is really, really pretty. It looks like a tonal yarn. I really like those variants in the color. It seems to be a little bit more pronounced in this one, but just absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful. It is very soft, and I'm really excited to see what patterns that they've given to us this month. Let's see. Oh, and here's our extra. Looks like we got a Tunisian hook. It's a 6 millimeter. And this is great because I just started to get into Tunisian, and I'm excited to give this one a try. All right, and we've got our pattern book. So the printed pattern books are back. No more cards, it looks like. And this crate was a collaboration with Michelle Costa of Stitch and Hustle. So I remember seeing that on their website. So they've got a tonal yarn for the normal membership crates, and then the sock crates have a superwash merino and stellina blend. And for this month's patterns, it looks like there's 2 different shawls. There's the knit shawl and the crochet shawl. I've been getting a lot of shawl patterns in the knit crates lately. And here's a picture of the different projects. So we've got this knit shawl. There's the socks. Here's the crochet shawl. And it looks like there's a bonus. If you go to a website, you can get a shawl from Stephanie Aaron. And it looks like it might possibly be Tunisian. So I'm excited to try this yarn, and I'm not sure that I'll make a shawl with it. I'm not a big shawl person, but I will definitely be using this. I'm going to have to hide it from my daughter, though, because purple is her favorite color, and every time something purple enters this house, she thinks it's for her. So yeah, that's the knit crate for July. I'm excited to share it with you. If you are interested in giving Knitcrate a try for yourself, I will put a discount code for 20% off your first Knitcrate order in the description box below for you to check it out. Thanks so much for watching.
Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.